All right. So these two have been hanging out outside their cages more than inside. They've been hanging out inside just one of the cages. Mellow only goes to this one now. I mean, she goes to the other one there every now and then, but less than she goes to this one here. So I'm thinking of maybe just I'm thinking of maybe just getting rid of one of the cages. Maybe Mellow's cage, that one there, and then just have them in the same cage. But like I said, they're always hanging out outside anyway, and the only time they would go inside is when they get hungry and sleep. So maybe either get rid of one of the cages and maybe have it moved in the suburb homes, you know, the home that we visit every now and then. We haven't gone to visit for a while. Well, at least Mellow haven't gone. Neither one of them. I've gone to visit a couple of times without the birds because of Wollem, because he's not tamed, and I don't feel right taking just Mellow because Mellow is already fond of him, and I don't know if I can get her away from Wollem. Well, I can, but she might miss him. So, but we have Thanksgiving and Christmas coming up, so for those I'm gonna have to force Wollem to come with us. He doesn't have a choice. So yeah, I'm thinking of maybe removing that cage and maybe taking it to the suburb home, so that way if we go visit and we stay overnight, they can stay in that cage, so it would feel like, you know, home, since it's the same exact cage as this other one. Let me know what you guys think. Last time I made changes, I don't know if you guys noticed, but here you don't see the stand anymore. This area used to be where the plants, you know, I had some indoor plants that was on there. I took it out. Mellow wasn't too happy with it. She was very vocal about it. So I don't know how she's gonna take it if I get rid of one of the cages, or I don't know how both of them are gonna take it. I think Mellow's might take it a little bit harder than Wollem. Let me know if it's a good idea to get rid of this cage, Wollem's cage. Not get rid of it, maybe move it to the suburb home. But in the meantime, I don't know what Mellow's doing. What are you doing there, Mellow? I was using this as a camera stand because I don't have the tripod for this camera. Looks like Mellow found a new toy. Say hi, Mellow. Whoop. Anyway, say bye.